sit down out in the cold, faithless and dark. Your stories untold. Come take my hand and walk there with me. I know a place where we can be free. There is a light shining for you, guiding your way, helping you through. When shadows and gloom are all that you see, we'll find a place where we can be free. From the mountain top down to the deepest valley, hear a voice.
First time trying hotak.
There's something inside. Oh my god.
Fearless and babe, I am secure. There is no dark that can't be lit.
Welcome to the Airbnb. When you walk in, you have the bathroom. Then there's an extra bed for Eunice and Sarah. We've got the kitchen plus a wild simi. And you have a little vanity. This is our view. Very pretty, absolutely beautiful, great. And then, if you go upstairs, you have your little sleeping area. 2 little single beds and a little cabinet over there. Say annyeong! Annyeong! So if you guys are ever in Korea, you guys have to try these. These are called deli mandu, and they're freshly baked cream cakes. And they come in these like stalks of corn. It's super cute. And then they have cream on the inside. Oh, cream on the inside. It's really, really good. Definitely recommend you trying these if you come to Korea.
Go out.
안녕, 은니. 은니 number 2.